Okay, so we're here with Chris, and Chris has got an amazing business story. So Chris, would you like to introduce yourself, just say who you are, where you're from?
Chris from Auto Plus in WA, which is in Midvale, Perth.
Okay. And your business, how long has it been around for?
It's been around for about 20 years.
Okay.
We service everything mechanical and electrical, and have a team of 7.
Nice. And when you first saw the Workshop Whisperer, you weren't necessarily feeling like the business was in trouble, were you? No. You were more of the opinion that the business is doing quite well, but there must be things out there that could help you run it better. Is that right?
Yeah, definitely. Thought always different ways could be done better. Went to your presentation in Perth, and from that I was pretty much like, yep, I want to sign up tonight and see what you can do. Really like some of the things that you talked about in terms of structure and different things that we can try, and they all work.
Yep. And that was in 2016, so you did the 8-week program. What were some of the benefits of doing the 8-week program?
Pushes you to do things that maybe you've been thinking about doing for a long time, but necessarily haven't done. So you know you need to go through and do that. Have you looked at that? Have you reviewed that? Having it in a structure that's laid out, it's okay, let's do that. And then accountability back to say, have you done that?
Yeah. So having either the coach or the other people in the program, part of the community, spurring you on as well, you found that helpful?
I think it's one of the biggest things. Being able to just bounce that off them, and then also be accountable to not only yourself, your coach, but also the other workshops.
And you have done work with other coaches before. How has it been different with the community element inside the Workshop Whisperer program?
I think with like any network, being able to talk with other like-minded workshops in similar situations that you've got, that just can move things a lot quicker, because you can get feedback straight away from 3 or 4 different people, and in action it really quick and go, all right, that worked for you, let's go this way.
Yeah. Excellent. And from the 8-week program, you actually transitioned into the engine room, and you've been in here for a couple of years now. So what are the benefits you've found to the engine room?
Next level accountability, so you can have accountability in the 8-week program for sure. But the accountability in the engine room is more focused because you're catching up on a weekly basis, so you can really drill in on what you have to do.
And how significant has it been for your business? Because you've got quite a sizable team, 12 or 14 team members. So how significant has it been implementing the strategic planning process?
It's massive. First few times it's a bit like a lot to take in terms of how to get it all out.
Yep.
And then now I couldn't imagine doing it without it. It would be like no direction without it otherwise.
And in terms of growth of the business, what kind of impact have you seen over the last 2.5 years that we've been working together?
We've seen growth in terms of the team, or we've seen growth in customer retention just by implementing better systems. We have more customers staying. Every area of the business is growing.
Yep.
The people, the business, the place, our customers. So yeah, everywhere.
And I hope you don't mind me sharing, but when you came into the 8-week program, you actually had quite a long waiting list, didn't you, for customers. It was about pushing out to beyond 2 weeks for them to be able to book in. And it was a couple of tweaks to your workflow process that actually allowed you to bring that into a few days, didn't it?
Yeah.
Were you of the opinion before we started working together that the bigger the wait period, the better that meant your business was?
Yeah, I think it's an easy misconception to fall into. Where it's now look at it totally the opposite. If we're not getting the cars out, we're going to need to look at the processes. We miss out on customers because then it's too far ahead, they forget to come. So now we're perfectly happy if it's 1 to 2 days and we've got everything flowing well. Yeah.
It's actually the customers looking for convenience, and the longer the wait time is before they can get in, the more likely they are to just wander off and go to a competitor.
Yeah.
So, if you were to speak to business owners, workshop owners like you, who believe that they've got a lot of their ducks in a row, but are just looking to go to the next level, what would your advice be to them?
Join some sort of group, get a coach, seek advice from other people, and get into something where you can be accountable for what you want to do. Because otherwise, I think you hear a lot prior to whether someone joins a network or a group or gets a coach, that they know the steps, or they've heard the steps, but don't do any of the steps because they need maybe other workshops or a coach to be able to help drive them forward.
Yeah. And is there any particular coach in general that you would recommend?
One sitting next to me, of course.
Yeah, excellent. Okay, well, thanks so much for sharing your story with us and for being part of the Engine Room. An amazing business owner and entrepreneur, and it's great to work with you. So thank you.
Thank you.